Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to squeaky clean your car interior. Here's a more detailed guide with additional tips to help you clean your car interior carefully and thoroughly. General tips for all surfaces. Work in sections. Clean one area at a time to ensure you don't miss any spots and to avoid cleaning product drying prematurely. Use lint-free materials. Stick to microfiber cloths or lint-free towels. Regular towels may leave fibers behind and can cause streaks. Avoid abrasive scrubbing. Use gentle pressure to prevent damage to delicate surfaces like plastic, vinyl, or leather. Ventilate the car. Keep windows or doors open while cleaning to prevent a buildup of chemical fumes and allow faster drying. Dashboard and trim. Avoid greasy cleaners. Choose a non-greasy cleaner to avoid attracting dust after cleaning. Use UV protectant. Apply a protectant after cleaning to shield the dashboard and trim from sun damage and cracking. Brush for crevices. Use a small detailing brush or an old toothbrush to remove dust from tight spots, buttons, or knobs. Seats. Fabric seats. Spot cleaning. Use upholstery shampoo or foam cleaners and blot, not scrub, to lift stains. Dry thoroughly. Don't let fabric stay wet for long. Use a wet-dry vacuum if possible to extract moisture. Leather seats. Clean and condition. Use a leather cleaner followed by a leather conditioner to maintain softness and prevent cracking. Avoid oils. Do not use household oils like olive oil as they can leave a sticky residue. Carpets and floor mats. First, thoroughly vacuum carpets and mats before using any cleaner to avoid spreading dirt. For rubber mats, use soapy water and a stiff brush. Fabric mats can be shampooed and air-dried. For those stubborn stains, use a carpet extractor or steam cleaner. Windows and mirrors. Use a proper technique by wiping with a microfiber cloth in a vertical and horizontal motion to avoid streaks. Protect tinted windows by using ammonia-free cleaners. And, for added clarity, apply an anti-fog spray on interior windows. Steering wheel and gear shift. Disinfect these areas as they often harbor bacteria. Use an alcohol-based wipe or cleaner, and remember, avoid using too much liquid that can seep into cracks or electrical components. Blow dust out with compressed air or a detailing brush. Use foam or soft detailing brushes to remove grime from vent slats. Spray a light mist of an air freshener or odor eliminator into the vents while running the air system. For the console and cup holders, remove sticky grime with a cleaner and a small detailing brush. Use a small vacuum nozzle or compressed air for hard-to-reach spots. Sprinkle baking soda on carpets and seats, let it sit for a few hours, and vacuum it up to neutralize odors. Place activated charcoal bags under seats to absorb persistent smells. Mold and mildew can build up in the air conditioning system, so use an AC cleaner to freshen it up. Remove child car seats and clean them separately. Follow manufacturer instructions for proper care. Vacuum the area underneath thoroughly, as crumbs and dirt often collect there. Use a rubber glove or a pet hair remover tool to lift pet hair from fabric and carpets. Vacuum after removing most of the hair to collect smaller debris. Act quickly when addressing stains. The sooner you tackle spills or grease, the easier they are to remove. Use stain-specific cleaners like enzyme-based cleaners for organic stains such as food and drink. If your car has any aftermarket coatings on glass or plastic, ensure you use products compatible with them to avoid peeling or damage. Avoid household cleaning products like dish soap, glass cleaners with ammonia or vinegar, as they can damage interior materials over time. Never spray cleaning solutions directly onto surfaces like electronics, leather, or sensitive areas. Always apply them to a cloth first. Don't neglect regular cleaning. Dust and grime buildup can cause permanent damage to materials, so clean your car regularly to prevent issues. Avoid sharp or abrasive tools that could scratch or tear surfaces. Cleaning your car interior carefully and methodically not only improves its appearance but also preserves its resale value and ensures a comfortable, hygienic environment.